internship included fundraising, Swayam fundraising, and content development. I feel like fundraising improved my skills of communication and persuasion. My efficiency in doing the same definitely increased over the duration of this internship. It was definitely a learning curve to understand how to do such things online and how to, communicate and follow up with people on call, because I'm used to campaigning face to face rather than campaigning on call, and because of social distancing and everything. So content development was the other task I undertook, which helped me understand the true essence of ZAV's work and the motivation behind their various initiatives which tackle various civic issues. So I learned about the CSDE and the CELR and their various initiatives like Kaushalya, Swayam, Prayati, Neev, and why they work, like how they cater to both the youth and people in need, and how it creates a synergic effect between the two parties. So basically, my key takeaways from this internship is that I never knew that an online internship and working for a foundation like this could be so fulfilling and could actually make a difference. It was a great learning experience, and it was definitely a well organized and efficient system. I would definitely recommend interns to take up internships at ZAV, especially if they want to do volunteering, and especially if they live they're very busy and they have a lot of things on their plate, because ZAV gives you the opportunity to make small contributions that make a difference. So I would 100% recommend the program, and it really allows you to take that small step to making the world a better place. So what you could expect from the ZAV Foundation is that the mentors are really helpful, but they expect sincere and hard work. You really need to understand what the foundation really stands for and why they do what they do, so you can understand why your small contributions are actually making a difference. So all in all, I would say that I really enjoyed my time here at ZAV, and I would definitely look forward to taking up another internship, or working with the ZAV Foundation in the future. So thank you so much.